Good morning, HMS. This is Teacher Chris coming to you from my kitchen. And today you can call me Chef Chris because we're going to talk about one of my favorite dishes, shepherd's pie. And shepherd's pie comes in 3 layers. A layer of nicely seasoned ground beef or a meat substitute on the bottom, followed by a middle layer of your favorite vegetables, and a top layer, essentially the crust, a big thick crust of mashed potatoes. And what makes the mashed potatoes so delicious is pepper, and particularly cracked pepper. Fresh ground cracked pepper. So here I have a pepper grinder. But before I grind some pepper, let me tell you a few interesting facts about black pepper. It's been used in cooking for over 4,000 years. They even found some black peppercorns in the tombs of the pharaohs. It comes from India, Vietnam, and Brazil, and some other countries. And a long, long time ago, peppercorns were more valuable than silver. Best of all, the best kind of black pepper is fresh cracked using a pepper grinder. So let's get started. Oh my! Doesn't look like there's any peppercorns in here. Let me open it up. A little bit came out. Let me open up the top and take a look. It's empty. Nothing inside. Hush! Oh, I forgot to tell you one other thing about black pepper. It can make you sneeze. So let me take my peppercorns that I have in this container and fill up my peppercorn grinder. I'm going to pour them in. Fill it up pretty much to the top. Put it back on, screw it down, and let's see what we've got now. Ah, that looks good. Achoo! Oh boy, it really does make me sneeze a lot. So I made some delicious shepherd's pie here. Let's take a look. Hey, hold on a minute. What happened to the top? The potatoes are all missing. You know why the potatoes are missing? Because they're the best part, and somebody must have eaten all the potatoes off the top. I'll have to make some more for you, and I'll do that on our next video. What makes the potatoes on the top so delicious? Right here, fresh ground, cracked black pepper. Sprinkle it in your mashed potatoes before you put it on top. Put a little butter on top and put it in the oven. Delicious. Really, really good. I'm so glad I have lots and lots of pepper. Wait a minute. I don't have lots and lots of pepper. What happened? I'm almost out of my favorite spice, whole black peppercorns. What am I going to do? I know. I'm going to sing a song about it. That's what I always do when I have a problem. What shall we call this song? Let's call it We Need Peppercorns. Let me bring my peppercorns over. And I can shake it a little bit. And you can use, if you have something in your house that you can shake along. We need peppercorns, we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns. We need peppercorns, we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns. Peppercorns for our peppercorn shaker, peppercorns for our shepherd's pie. We need peppercorns, we need peppercorns, or we're going to cry. Oh. We need peppercorns, we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns. Hey, we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns. Peppercorns for our peppercorn grinder, peppercorns for our shepherd's pie. We need peppercorns, or we're going to cry. Oh. We've got salt and garlic powder, make a tasty fish chowder. But we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns. I guess we better say it louder. Oh, everybody together now. And we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns, we need peppercorns. We need peppercorns, peppercorns, we need peppercorns. Peppercorns for our peppercorn grinder, peppercorns for our shepherd's pie. We need peppercorns, we need peppercorns, or we're going to cry. Oh, we've got turmeric and cumin and smoked paprika. Make a really tasty chili. So we need peppercorns, or I'm gonna get really silly. We've got turmeric and cumin and smoked paprika. Make